Hello my lovelies, I am finally back with this like a little bit messy wave in my hair, which means that it's springtime. You guys know how much I love wearing my natural hair when it comes to May, June, July. So today I wanted to create a fun, fresh, young spring look using Dolce&Gabbana Beauty products, and I was very lucky to work with them and to show you their incredible spring collection called Dolce Garden. Honestly, these beauty products are just enough to create a fresh, young, happy face for spring, and that is what I wanted to show you. This is what I wanted to create. So without chatting too much, I'm gonna show you how I created this look in very few easy steps. Let's go. Okay, so after I kind of neatly tucked my hair behind the ears and just like removed it out of the way because I don't want my hair all over my face when I'm doing my makeup, I can now start talking to you about these magical products. I am super excited to show you Dolce & Gabbana's Spring 2018 beauty line because I think it's really special and it's pretty different from everything else that I've tried out there. Now, I have some of my favorite like colors, shades and things like that, which I will be showing you and I will be using on my face right now. So as always, I'm going to start with the eyebrows. Now, for my eyebrows, I will be using Dolce & Gabbana, the brow liner, and this one is in color 3 Mocha. I really like this shade. I feel like it suits me very well, and actually because I can't see very well that far and I still kind of want to look at you guys as I speak to you, I will be using this little mirror in front of me. So on one end of this brow pencil, it actually has a little brush which I'm gonna use to brush my eyebrows upwards, and this is a really good brush actually. It's very precise. On the other end, I'm gonna be using the brow filler. So let's do this. I'm not gonna do this way too much because I want this look to be very natural. I want it to be quick, kind of like an everyday spring look, something that you can achieve very easily, but I'm gonna be chatting while I'm doing it, so I don't want it to be way too long either, which is why I'm just kind of filling in the brows a little bit, mainly towards the outer part of the brow and not so much towards the inner part. I'm so over those like boxy brows and overfilled, especially during the spring summer months. I'm gonna still brush it out to make it look a bit more natural. And this is the brow look. My eyebrows are definitely not the same, but you know, they're not twins, they're sisters, right? We all heard it so many times. Next thing I'm going to use is really amazing and is what you could have just seen right now. This is the Smooth Eye Color Quad in Dolce Garden, and it's a beautiful quad. Now Dolce & Gabbana Beauty comes up with these quads seasonally, and they always have different colors, like depending on trends and depending on, you know, like what's current. So I love this one because I think that these colors suit everyone. I will be using, you could easily use all 4, but I'm gonna try and like keep the look as simple as possible, as everyday as possible. I will be using the kind of like nude, brown and the pink colors, and I'm gonna start with the nude. I'm gonna use a very kind of like thick brush because I'm gonna use this whitey pink color in the inner corners of the eye just to get that really awake look. I absolutely love this. It kind of also visually like makes your eyes more almondy, and I'm also gonna apply some in the arch of the brow. Whatever's left on the brush, it doesn't have to be too much. Again, gives a bit more arched eye, which is what I like. Next up, I'm gonna use the pink. I'm gonna really like apply it a lot on the brush, like I'm gonna like tap it on. I'm gonna like tap, and then I'm gonna apply a lot of it. This adds such a nice, beautiful, feminine kind of like touch to the look, and I love it. I lift it up to the crease, kind of, and the same on the other eye. It's very soft, it's pigmented, but it's not like too difficult to maneuver. You know, there are some that are like overly pigmented and then you can't really blend them in. Now this one is just perfect, so even if you're not like the best at applying makeup, this will be very easy to apply. So I'm gonna use the same pink with a bit more defined brush, and I'm just gonna apply it at the lower kind of lower lid line. the lash line, the lower lash line I guess is called. And at the moment this is what we got. So this look could actually be done when it comes to eyes if you just want to apply some mascara and you feel very like easy and springy and just want it to be fresh. It's like a great look for also work because not too much. But I'm not gonna stop there because you guys know how much I love makeup. So I'm gonna use another like flat brush and I'm gonna use the chocolate brown. Now this color I'm gonna use in the lash line. I'm gonna take it out a bit. So kind of to define a bit cat eye look. Now I'm literally going to be giving you 3 different eye options. So if you wanna, the first one was without brown. The second one will be just by adding a bit of brown to the lash line and to the corners of the lower lash line. And you kind of got it. Like this is basically the second look. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna blend this in because it's not very precise or perfect. So I'm just using a brush to kind of blend it all in to look super, super, super natural, but still adds a really, really nice eye shape. Oh, we could stop here, but we don't have to. Next up, I'm going to use Dolce&Gabbana Emotion Eyes Liner. And this is very special because not just like your usual eyeliner, it's a beautiful, super precision eyeliner in brown color. Like, look how nice that is. It's like, it's in shade 2, Terra. And it's like a really, really, really lovely brown color. So it's not like overpowering by being black, but it just adds a bit of like, you know, emotion eyes. So again, just going to apply it in the lash line. And you can even stop here. You don't have to cat eye it out, but I will. Just a tiny, tiny little bit. I feel like it's very Dolce&Gabbana Beauty to have a bit of a, you know, just a little bit of a cat eye. So I'm gonna do the same on the other side. Literally, this is it for the eye look, except that we are missing my favorite part of every eye look, the one that completes it and the one that makes it all perfect, and that would be the mascara. Dolce&Gabbana mascara is one of my favorites, you guys know that, and I love it so much because of the wand, which is curved, which means that it really, really, really curls them. It makes them very kind of like seductive almost. I'm applying mascara only on the upper lashes. I want it to be like very, very easy, very simple, very kind of like sweet, and a little bit on the outer corners of the lower lashes. So this is the complete eye look. Now, my favorite product from the whole Dolce Garden collection has to be this beautiful, beautiful product here, and it's the Luminous Cheek Color in Provocative. Why I love it so much is because it adds this like 3D luminous, beautiful pink color to your cheeks. Look at this baby, it's like a rose. And I honestly feel like I cannot get enough of this product, which is a little bit of a problem almost. I already want to repurchase it because I'm worried of it running out. It adds such a fresh, healthy glow, healthy look to your cheeks, and that's something that I'm obsessed with at the moment. I feel like that's what you need for spring. It is really nice, it stays on for a long time. I feel like it would suit a brunette, a blonde, or any kind of like hair color girl, or like any kind of features in a girl. The packaging is stunning and I just love taking this out of my bag. So now we're almost done. I've painted my nails in this milky, beautiful white Dolce&Gabbana nail polish in Innocence. I'm really into white nail polish lately and like keeping the nails kind of short, natural. Just like this whole look, like young, fresh, natural, happy. So, of course, to complete the look, I'm gonna use a lipstick. This is one of my absolute favorites, I think like monthly favorites. It's like a nudie pink color with iridescence, almost like orange pink particles in it, and it's a satin finish, which means that it makes your lips really glow, but it's still kind of matte, so it's not creamy. I love this lipstick. I've been wearing it for a while now. It makes my lips look very juicy because of the iridescent particles, and it beautifully matches the blush. Can you see this? Now this shade is Dolce Peony and this is Provocative, but as you guys can see, the colors perfectly match each other. And that's what I'm so obsessed with. This is now the complete look. Of course, you guys know how much I love Dolce&Gabbana fragrances. Light blue is one of my all-time favorite fragrances. But on this occasion, since we're going for a spring look, I will be using Dolce&Gabbana Dolce Garden fragrance. It's very, very sweet, very springy, very feminine, seductive. I love it. I mean, and it's pink with a flower on top. What else could I ask for? I really love this fragrance because it adds like that kind of spring day feeling, if you know what I mean. So that is basically it now. I've shown you full face of Dolce&Gabbana Beauty products, this like quick spring tutorial. Let me know what you think. Let me know what's your favorite go-to spring look, and I would love to check it out. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye!